Alright, today I'm going to show how to do the service reminder reset on a Mercedes Sprinter without the steering wheel controls and has this style instrument cluster. First thing you're going to do, it's the same as all the others, but go to key position 1, use these buttons over here, get out of this menu here, you want to go over to trip, use the OK button to select that, and then you want to be on the mileage and trip screen. So you're going to hold down the back button for 2 seconds and then tap the OK button. So as you can see, the ASSYST menu just popped up, and then the function is the same. You just cycle down. You don't have an up arrow, so if you go too far you just gotta keep going through. But you're gonna want to, this is also how you get into the brake pad replacement mode on electric parking brakes with this style. But go to the ASSYST menu right here, click OK, click the ignition. You're in key position 2. OK on that. Scroll down to full service, select. Scroll down to confirm service, select. This is a 642 3-liter V6 diesel that I just put 5W30 diesel oil in, which is 229.52. So we'll select that oil grade. Go over to yes, confirm. And that's how you reset the service reminder on the Mercedes Sprinter without the steering wheel controls, 2019 and up.